this is the Microsoft Word when you start a new document, what it looks like. Notice at the top there's all the different tools that you can use that are on the ribbon. We're going to focus on the reference tool, and I already have it highlighted. And this is something that you will use whenever you're writing a paper. So one of the first things you can do is you can select Manage Sources, and this allows you to put in the source that you have already found as a credible source. And the article that we're going to do is from National Geographic, and it is how SpaceX became NASA's go-to ride into orbit. And it was written by Jay Bennett. So I'm going to go ahead and actually make this small. Maybe not. I'll just toggle back and forth. Okay, so let me go back into Word. So we're doing an article from a periodical, and the author's name was Jay Bennett, but we're going to go ahead and select Edit. And the reason being is to get in good practice of doing that, because a lot of times you may have more than one author, and you might put the information wrong, depending if you are doing APA or MLA or Chicago style. So this will Microsoft Word is set up to do this for you. So the last name was Bennett, B-E-N-N-E-T-T. First name was Jay, J-A-Y, add. And let me go ahead and hit OK. And another thing I like to do is to click this little button here that says Show All Bibliography Fields. So the title of the article was How SpaceX, let me look again, became NASA's go-to ride into orbit. Okay, and this is from National Geographic, and it was published the year 2020, the month November, and the day was the 12th. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. And this is really important to put the year that you assess the information, because sometimes, depending on where you're getting information, the website may do updates. So year assessed was 2020. Month assessed is November. And then the date that I'm doing this is the 28th. Then right here is the URL, which we're able to locate that. So let me pull this up. At the very top of the bar is your URL, so I'm going to hit copy and go back into Word. Paste. Okay, so medium, we could put website. So I have all the basic information in here, so I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. Okay, close. And that is how you can organize and manage your sources.